Forward gleefully, so too Caucau, and so too this man, Wainiqolo. Oh, it's wonderful! Weaving, swerving, brilliant!
Although, when you give it to Thou, you never know!
Oh, what about the reflexes?
On the rebound, and Thou's going to run away and score a magnificent try.
Au match. Oh, on joue au pied l'ambition des Toulonnais avec Wainiqolo. Il en a des cannes et c'est une fusée. Quand il est lancé, est-ce qu'il sera rattrapé? Il peut éliminer très facilement ses opposants, ses adversaires, et il en élimine 3-4.
He's going to have Larkham on, beats him easily on the inside. Oh, this is brilliant. Helmet. Repeating again.
En pleine réussite, en pleine confiance actuellement, Garbizé contré. Le ballon récupéré par Wainiqolo. La réussite, elle est là. Un peu de...
around and but awkward. Oh, scooped up brilliantly by Repeni Caucau. Oh, he's going to get another. Sensational.
They go quickly. Saram scampers off. Thinks he spots space in the backfield. The chase is on. It's going to be a foot race. Can it be gathered by Wainiqolo? Yes, it can, and you're not going to stop him.
Captain Xavier Rush. Divine emerges with it. Spencer running across field. Now pops it into a hole for Repeni Caucau. Oh, he's away.
Il a joué les Toulonnais, il n'y a pas de bonus à aller chercher et il décide de la jouer, et bien pour le spectacle, pour notre spectacle et pour le plaisir des yeux. Wainiqolo, inarrêtable, qui va aller chercher le 4e.
Repeni gonna have Conway on off, straight past him, straight past Alan Major. Unbelievable.
They just checked the ball there from Mangala, and it found the turf. Slipper can't get his man. Back comes one of the most dangerous men on the field. Wainiqolo!
Barata. Now here is Sawambu. Now here's trouble. Thou. Unbelievable. Logan is coming across, but give it to Thou.
Muntz, inside ball, breaking through, Wainiqolo! Brilliant!
Chance for Thou. Just went past Rougerie. This is the fastest man in world rugby, and he's thrilled the crowd at Suncorp Stadium. Repeni Caucau has scored an absolute gem.